we can enjoy Christmas time in Guadalajara.
An ice skating rink in Mexico? That's right. And we're going to be out celebrating on the rink with a little Christmas spirit. So join us in for some fun and a little bit of foolery as we are here in Rotunda Park, right next to Guadalajara Cathedral. And yeah, so this starts at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And as you can see, the line is kind of wrapped around already. So if you want to enjoy your time and not have to wait too long, then I suggest getting there about 3:30. That's what time we got there, and this was the wait. So they give you 30 minutes out on the ice skating rink for each group.
Almost.
And each group is about 30 to 40 people. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Our wait time was about an hour and a half, so it was about 5 o'clock by the time we made it out onto the rink.
Andale! So we've been waiting an hour now. Yeah, an hour for our line here to be able to take a turn around.
And it's almost our turn.
Yeah, it's almost our turn. So we're up next to grab our shoes, grab our skates, and be able to make a fool of ourselves on the ice skating rink that you would not expect in Guadalajara, but it's a cool 68 right now, cloudy and perfect weather for hot chocolate and some ice skating. And foolery.
It's something of this year. Last year, 2 years ago, it was
right, and it probably melted as quick as it froze. But yeah, join us for this because this is going to be fun, and we're at least going to have a blast and try not to break anything. At least me.
So now the excitement is building, and we're up next. Interesting fact is that you will need to know your size in centimeters. Do a quick conversion on your phone. European or American sizes aren't really accepted. Although I will say the shoes are kind of one size. They can elongate, so you just slide them. I had size large and they were okay. And as you notice, they'll hand you out plastic bags that you can put over your feet. It's comfortable enough. They do spray them down, but it seems like nobody trusts it. And I don't really think my skates have soles on them. But it's about go time. And, well, they told us no phones or cameras, but I just couldn't help it. And we made it out there with the Osmo action and tried the best not to make fools of ourselves.
I know, go one way. Go for it.
And it's actually here that they caught us. You can see the girl on the left.
Well, that was some ice skating, which was really fun, and we didn't fall.
yeah.
And also, I'm gonna go up this way.
No,
All right. It was super fun, and we didn't end up wet, so I have to say that's a big win because it was nothing but a puddle at the end. So dry feet, dry butts, like you can't complain. But definitely should do, but you have to end up early
Yeah.
because that line is still.
We arrived 30 minutes early and
Yes.
we made 1 hour and a half line.
Right, yeah. We arrived at 4, starts at 4:30, and it's 30 minutes on the ice rink. So, yeah, if you're going to do it, get here at 4. Go ahead and get in line, maybe a little bit earlier. But, yeah, if you come later, you're probably going to be in line for at least 2 hours. So, yeah, but it was fun. We'll see what else we can get into. Festivities. Hot chocolate's on the next. So, go grab some of that.
And so walking out towards Plaza de Armas, you can see here they have Ferris wheel, all kinds of rides. And now we're making our way over towards Palacio de Gobernador. And here we are in the Plaza de Armas with a little train coming by. And as you can see, there's vendors here who have set up different decorations for photo booths where families go to get their pictures taken. And here is the grand Christmas tree set up in the central plaza, Plaza de la Liberación. And now, with dusk setting in, it's time to catch a show at the cathedral. So every year for Christmas, they put on 2 shows each. And the shows are on the facade of the cathedral. So we made our way up to a rooftop bar and was able to get some food and watch this wonderful light show. You can also watch it from the plaza. There's usually plenty of room and a lot of people are gathered out. And yeah, it's just something spectacular to take in. And it does have music, unfortunately, copyright and all that. So I'm just going to sit back here and let's watch the show for a minute. And after this, we'll go see some Christmas lights. And so after the light show, we made our way back to Plaza de la Liberación and strolled around to see the Christmas lights. It was all lit up and really beautiful. And yeah, that was it. We strolled around and called it a night. And I'm wishing everyone a happy holiday, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Here's to 2024.